Hi, Kathrine from Rageism here. I'm going to do a video today on how I do a smoky eye. Now, disclaimer, no smoky eye expert, no makeup artist here, I'm going to give you a demonstration on how I do mine, which is easy, simple, and extremely quick. So I'm going to get it all done in 5 minutes. So I'm going to start off with the Rageism eye pencil. I'm using the Slate, which is my favorite color. It's beautiful, soft gray. I'm going to start with under the eye. I just do it just under the waterline, and I don't take it all the way to the corner of my eye, just halfway along. And I also do like to put it on the waterline, and that I take all the way across. Just, I don't know, I think it's because my eyes are blue. And I find if I take it all the way across on the outside of the eye that it doesn't look right. Anyway, so then I'm just going to blend that, get my fluffy brush, blend that in. Okay, step one done. Then I'm going to grab my cream eyeshadow. This is, let's see if I get it the right way up, matte brown. This I'm going to get my fluffy brush again and just sweep it on the lid, just like a windscreen wiper. Bang, 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 bang. Sweep it all the way across. Now, as I'm sure all of you, or most of you understand, if it involves too much blending, it just terrifies me, so I don't do that. This is just easy and quick, and just gives you a little bit more of a, I guess, an interesting or dramatic look for evening. Okay, second colour I'm going to grab is my aubergine, if I can find it. That's this colour. It's almost like a reddish brown aubergine. And again, I'm going to use the same fluffy brush, just get the excess off. It's a really pretty colour. It's quite unusual. And I'm going to put that in the crease of my eyelid and just blend it in. The great thing about cream eyeshadows is blending is extremely easy. Okay, that's step number 2. Then step number 3 of my not very complicated smoky eye routine is I'm going to grab this colour, which is my absolute favourite colour. This is Champagne. This is just gives your eyes a beautiful lift. It's a really, really pretty colour without being sparkly. This I am going to put all over the bit under the eye bone. I don't know, has that got a name? I don't know, maybe, probably. But that's where I'm putting it, under my eye bone, like under my eyebrow bone. Maybe that's what it is. And also I like to put it in the corners because I get really dark in there. I get quite blue and it just lightens it up. And sometimes if I'm feeling a bit brave, I'll put a little bit under where I've just put my eye pencil. There you go, easy peasy. Then I'm going to grab my mascara, Rageism Mascara. Now I would do, if I'm going out at night, I'll do 2 coats, and it's really important because it's a mineral mascara. You wait for it to dry between coats. And I don't usually put it on my bottom lashes because I just feel I'm really dark under there a lot of the time anyway, and it doesn't do me any favours. Okay, there we go. That's 1 coat. I'm not going to worry with the second coat because I think you get the idea. And then I'm just going to put on a lippy, and because I've got quite a lot of eye makeup on, I'm going to use Pale Pearl today, which is a lovely, really pale pink. This colour, oh, this colour. Because you obviously, you know, the old story that you don't want really bright lips if you've got big eyes. And then I'm going to put some Aurora lip gloss on top. And there we go. if I was going to hit the town, I'd be ready. Okay. Thanks for watching. If you've got any questions or anything, just feel free to contact us. We love hearing from you, and bye for now.